All right, Balboa Park. Brought a couple of my RCs out. I'm gonna try and drive in one hand. I don't drive so good one hand and try and film with the other. Usually always use two hands. Two hands on the wheel. Anyways, brought out my KRATON. Brought out my my LASERNUT. Both of them on 6S. One's on a 2050 kV and the other's on a 1900 kV. My LOSI's still on its stock 1900 kV, but I have a 6S setup on that thing, so it's wicked fast. Got new shocks on it, so we're gonna try and buzz it around. Try and hit this little hill here behind us. Just buzz it around. I don't want to smash them and crash them and break them right now. Anyway, just want to test them today. So take a walk with me. Let's go. All right. Trying to watch both things at once. I don't know how people do this one-handed stuff. She's a mean little beach. Pay attention. These things will hurt you if they hit you. Hopefully you can see it. See it. I'd say it's been a while since I had it out. Not that that really means anything. Got the fan going. It's not too hot today. It's supposed to rain in a couple of days again. Jeepers. Adjust my steering right quick. She's a drifting. All right. Maybe later. Yeah, I don't want to beat it up. I'm not going to take it up jumps or anything. I am missing a Velcro strap for my battery, so I'm not going to go crazy. Famous last words, right? Keep up with the damn thing. Put it up on the table, make sure my battery's still good here, instead of missing some Velcro on it. So let's check it out. Of course. Right, yeah, she's gonna be ready. Where's my RC crew at? Go test out the old laser nut. Give me a ride. Driving with one hand takes some getting used to, huh? And we're pointing at the ground because jeepers. All right, enough of that. Switch cars here. Woo, sexy baby. I have another body for it, but it broke all up. Damnedest thing happens when you're doing those backflips and crazy things. But my KRATON, and I love it. So there's the KRATON. It's basically, well, you know, I've upgraded on shocks and AARMS and such like that, but the power is still the same. It's a new one, but it's still stock size, and it's the 2050 still stock up there. I'm running a 5200 Zeep 6S pack on there. Woo-wee! You see it got a little blue scatter within. I see, I've told you guys before, this thing looks super cool, but it's the death of everything. The last thing I had to change, because this doesn't give, were my mounting bracket, where the supports. These are normally plastic, and just kept ripping them out, front and back. Replace the transmission, the rear diff. So it's all aluminum, packed with like 5,000 pound, whatever, the oil, super thick. So it's nice and locked. Here's a laser nut. We'll open it up here in a minute. But let's see if we can drive one-handed out here. Alright, so we got the LASERNUT, LOSI LASERNUT. You've seen my video before. I've done everything on this stupid car. It's upgraded everything. Well, it still does have a stock motor. It's a 1900 kV motor, but all the parts, AARMS, shocks, from A to Z has been replaced. Running 6S. And they even, you see in here, let's see in here. They got a Corona and a PBR in there. Well, it's close enough to a PBR. Anyway, on 6S, trying to scoot this thing around. Replace the shock on it because it broke that tower, hit a fence. Doing a little bit of speed. Not me doing speed, but the car doing speed. Say no to drugs, kids. So let's see what we can do out here. One-handed. We're driving with the old LASERNUT. The suspension on this thing is awesome. I love it so much. The car looks super cool. Woo. And it just glides over, and then I hit a big bump. So smooth. This is a 10th scale, and they now have this in an 8th scale version. Beautiful suspension on there. Yep. It hurts. God damn it. Check out my leg. Yikes. Alright, let's get that stick out of here. Call a medic. Son of a bitch. Yeah, check that out. Not only do I need some sunshine. Híjole. Where are we at? Can't even see. Man, I think I busted a vessel right there. Yeah, she's angry. Rawr. Anyway, no more one-handed driving for me right now. I'm gonna put this down. Let me drive around for a little while, just so I can get the feel for her again. Practice my one-handed driving. Let's see if I can show you that shit hurts. The sea was angry that day, my friend. I just glide. Sexy. The best things about this car is that suspension. It's not a crazy jump basher. Say I did that the first time I had it. This bent damn chassis. All these new parts on it. It just floats. Laser nut. I call it the wolf. She bit today. All right. She's tested out clean. I have to go rub the blood off of her. See that suspension, baby. Got wicked fast. Love that thing. Make it look like some official rally action right here. The rally car. Alright, so yeah, came out here for a quick little test. Both cars are doing good. One of them was hungry. Yeah, it don't feel good. Gonna have to throw down a couple ice cold carbonated beverages to make that thing feel a little bit better. But anyways, never know unless you go. Well, on these, a little different situation. You know you're gonna come out and break stuff. So, been put back together. So, ready for my RC crew again. How's a dog meat out? Dog poop out here in the bag. You're gonna go through the effort to put it in a bag, take it to the trash, for crying out loud. Some people. Jeez Louise. Anyways, Balboa Park. Usually this place right here, a lot of people come out here on Sundays to run their RC cars. So, that's how I met most of the guys I hang out with. So we haven't done it in quite some time. But anyways, till the next time, let's go.